Ever wanted to make your TinkerBlock projects talk? Today, we're turning your TinkerBlock into a musical instrument using just one simple component, the active buzzer. Meet the TK36 active buzzer module. This little guy might look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. It has a built-in oscillator, so all we need to do is send it a high signal and it starts making noise. No complex frequency calculations needed. Let me show you what we can create. First, we've got a simple single beep, perfect for button press feedback. Then a double beep, great for notifications. And a triple beep, ideal for attention-grabbing alerts. But here's where it gets really cool. Watch this rapid-fire effect. 10 quick beeps in sequence. This creates that classic error or warning sound you hear in movies and games. Now check out this. We're actually sending Morse code. This is the international SOS distress signal. 3 short beeps, 3 long beeps, 3 short beeps. It's the same pattern used by ships and emergency services worldwide. The magic is in the timing. We use precise delays to control exactly how long each beep lasts and how long we pause between them. Short beeps are 100 milliseconds. Long beeps are 500 milliseconds. And we add pauses to create clear patterns. Here's the beautiful part. Our code is super modular. We have one core function called single beep that does all the heavy lifting. Then we build all our patterns on top of that. Want a double beep? Just call single beep twice with a pause in between. Want a triple beep? Call it 3 times. The wiring couldn't be simpler. Just connect the buzzer to digital pin 9. That's it. No resistors, no capacitors, no complex circuits. Imagine the possibilities. Alarm systems for your home, sound effects for games, notification systems for your projects, or even learning Morse code. This one little buzzer can do it all. The code is clean, well commented, and ready for your next project. You can easily modify the timing, add new patterns, or integrate it with sensors to create interactive sound systems. From simple button feedback to complex alarm sequences, this active buzzer gives your projects a voice. Hit subscribe for more TinkerBlock magic, drop a comment with your favorite sound pattern, and let's make some noise together. Thanks for watching and happy coding! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome TinkerBlock projects that will bring your creations to life.